In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a user in Wrike. Inviting new people to your Wrike workspace is one of the first things you'll want to do when you're building out your team. And the good news is that it's very quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the whole process, explain what's happening at each step, and share a few practical tips along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and that you have the right permissions to add users. Typically, you'll need to be an account owner, an admin, or have been given permission to invite others. Once you're in your workspace, look toward the area where your team members are usually displayed. There, you should see an option labeled Invite. This might appear near your profile area in the top right section or in a members panel, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on the Invite button. This opens a small window or panel where you can add the people you want to bring into your workspace. Wrike uses email invitations, so the next thing you'll do is type in the email addresses of the users you'd like to invite. You can enter a single email address or several, separated by commas or spaces, depending on how Wrike is set up in your version. Take a moment to double check the spelling of each email. A small typo can mean the person never receives the invitation or that it gets sent to the wrong account. If you're inviting multiple people from the same company, it can help to copy and paste from a trusted list to avoid mistakes. In some Wrike setups, you may see options to adjust the type of user you're inviting, such as regular users, external users, or collaborators. If those options are visible, choose the role that best fits what they need to do in your workspace. For example, collaborators usually have more limited access, which can be useful for clients or partners. Once all the email addresses are entered and you're sure they're correct, look for the button labeled Send Invite. Click on Send Invite to finalize the process. Wrike will then send an email to each address you entered with a link to join your workspace. After you've sent the invites, it's a good idea to let your teammates know to check their inbox and their spam or junk folder, just in case the email gets filtered. When they accept the invitation, they'll appear in your Wrike account and you'll be able to assign tasks, share projects, and collaborate with them right away. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully invited a user in Wrike.